Okay, now we're rolling up the awning on the Jayco Freedom Expander. Okay.
Okay, make sure these are both out there, both ends. You then loosen these up here.
Okay.
Same
Which
both ends.
is that one there, one on each end.
You now got to lift this down.
So you're pulling out
Go
the
about
white handle.
halfway. Yep. Lock.
Okay.
Same at the other end.
So now it's on a funny angle.
This end you go all the way, and then you bring this one back.
Halfway on this one first, all the way on the other one.
You bring the whole lot down, but don't try and do it all in one.
So do it in stages.
Stages, yes.
Okay.
You've then got this little pin. Put it down. Slide that down.
Okay, that releases that hole.
All the way as far as it'll go. I'll do the same on the other end. And then grab hold of the strap, pull it, flick that.
Okay, flick it
From
from open.
It's on open
Okay, now flick it.
to close.
Okay. And gently release.
Let it go up slowly. That's it. But now you come up here, lock this,
Okay, lock that down.
tighten the handle, black handle in behind.
Handle in there, tighten as far as it can go.
Same on this end.
So put that one down.
Tighten the black handle. And that's it, done.
Okay, and it's all locked and secured.